We were in the horse pasture yesterday, and we came across this bird that laid eggs in the ground. Now she'll protect the eggs, but then she'll come towards me and then act as if she's wounded to, I guess, lead a predator towards her and keep him away from the eggs. But it's pretty amazing, and she carries on quite a bit. And now she'll act wounded, and it keeps, I guess it keeps away from the eggs. And as soon as I turn my back, she's going to head towards me. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but one of the ladies was calling it a roadrunner. But I don't know if that's the technical name. And there's another one over there making believe it's wounded. Alright, I'll leave you alone.